Hi everyone, I'm hoping that you all are doing fine and your studies are going well. So guys, there are too many common question or doubt in the mind of those students who are preparing for December 21 examination. In this video, I will try to resolve the doubt or common question of every CMA student who are appearing in December 21 examination. So I have noted down, I will read one by one and I will share all the detail with you. So guys, now the common question is that whether exam will get postponed or not for December 21 examination. So guys, we can easily understand that the exam for inter or final of June 21 and in end of October. So if we expect the results, so minimum mid of December we can expect the results. Okay, so yes, we can easily understand that more chances for getting the postponement of December 21 examination. But every student should prepare keeping in mind that exams are going to start from December itself. Okay, and if we get some more extension, so this will be, you can say that, a boost up to revise more and more. Okay, so please, yes, mostly the chances that exams are going to get postponed, so do not worry about on this point. Hoping that you get the answer. And the exams, December 21 exam will be online or offline. So guys, if we see the communication of the past president CMA Balvinder Singh sir or our respected Pappan sir, they never said about the offline. Okay, they more focus on online. So yes, December 21 mostly we can expect the exam mode of exam will be online. And now the some of the candidate has a question whether for December 21 examination or upcoming exam postal test paper are compulsorily or not. So guys, I have already prepared a video for December 21 student. Postal test paper are not compulsorily for December 21 or for also for upcoming exams. So hope you are getting the answer. Still you have any doubt, you can directly call to your nearest chapters for clarification of this doubt. But yes, postal test paper are not compulsorily to submit. And what will be the study plan or what will be the best strategy to crack December 21 for foundation, inter or final? Although in upcoming time I will prepare or make a video the study plan for foundation, inter or final student. But as of now, please follow this strategy. I can assure you that you can easily crack your exam. First, complete your study material for practical or for theoretical subject. If any candidate facing problem in theoretical subject from study material, so she can buy reference book from market for any theoretical subject. Okay, and for practical study material is sufficient, excepting there are some clerical mistake. Okay, or there are some error in study material, so please ignore and focus on the remaining aspect. Okay, and after completing the study material, at least 2 time revision of study material, then please solve syllabus 2016's all past year paper, then workbook or MCQ booklet. I have already prepared a video on how to get MCQ booklet or workbook from institute website. You can directly see from the playlist I have already prepared. Okay, and now should you give single group or both group for December 21 examination? So guys, every candidate need to understand their capability. Candidate need not to compare with the other friend. Okay, I have already prepared a video, the benefit of giving both group. You can see from the playlist, then you can understand the giving of benefit of giving both group. Okay, but you need to understand yourself, you need not to see the other. Okay, if you are comfortable in giving single group, give the single group and crack in one attempt. If you want to give both group, then accordingly you need to prepare your timetable, strategy, each and everything, and also you can easily crack the both group also. But you need to see, understand, you need to do quite introspection, and then you need to take the decisions. And now the most important question arising in the mind of every student, whether SAP 100-hour computer training, IOTP training or 6 or 15-month articleship is exempt in December 21 exam, like June 21 which is already exempted. So mostly yes, we are accepting that nowadays situation are becoming normal day by day. But yes, lot many candidates are not able to get training opportunity as of now, although most of the CMA fraternity including me also sharing more and more training or job opportunity, so that lot many candidates get placed. Okay, but yes, if you're talking about the mostly the chances that yes, SAP training, 100-hour computer training, IOTP training or 6-month or 15-month articleship training should be mostly exempted by the institute. Whenever I get the official information, surely I will share with you. But if you're talking about my personal suggestion, to I will give suggestion to every student, if they will get opportunity for attending SAP training, 100-hour computer training, IOTP training or 6-month or 15-month articles, my suggestion to you, you should join this training. Reason is that this will benefit to grow your career or getting placed in campus placement. Please understand, I am hoping that you are getting my point. Please, if you get the chance to get opportunity SAP 100-hour computer training, IOTP, or 6 or 15-month articleship, whenever I get the information for new SAP batch or 100-hour computer training batch or IOTP training batch, surely I will also, I will share with you. You guys can also share me if you get some information, so that I can escalate to the other students. So hoping that you are getting all the answer of common question which is nowadays arising in the mind of CMA student. If some candidate has some other question, surely you can ask in comment section. Whenever I get the time, surely I will try to help you or resolve your questions. Okay, so these are the common question which I know that arising in the mind of CMA students. So I make a video to resolve all the question. Still you have any doubt, or you can also refer me or suggest me to make a video on those particular topic. Okay, and upcoming time I will also make a foundation, inter, or final study plan which I can assure that easily benefit you to crack your upcoming December 21 exam. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me. From my side, that's all about this video. Bye guys.